Not sure which statistical test to use in SPSS? Confused about frequencies, chi-square, correlation, regression, or t-tests? What if ChatGPT could help you choose the right analysis, generate SPSS procedures, and save you hours of frustration? In this video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT as your personal data analysis assistant and make SPSS much easier, even if you're a complete beginner. Let's get started. Welcome to AI Tech Tips 360. If you're looking for practical ways to use AI to save time, work smarter, and discover new income opportunities, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications because we've got plenty more valuable content coming your way. Now let's dive in. Let's be honest. Many students and researchers struggle with one major question. What analysis should I run? SPSS is powerful, but it doesn't tell you which statistical test is best for your research problem. This is where ChatGPT becomes incredibly useful. Instead of spending hours searching through textbooks or watching endless tutorials, you can ask ChatGPT direct questions and get guidance within seconds. Think of ChatGPT as a research assistant, not a replacement for SPSS. SPS performs the calculations. ChatGPT helps you make better decisions throughout the analysis process. Step 1. Describe your research to ChatGPT. The first step is to explain your study. For example, my study investigates the relationship between social media usage and academic performance among university students. Then ask, what statistical analyses are appropriate for this study? ChatGPT can recommend suitable analyses based on your objectives and variables. This is especially helpful for beginners who aren't sure where to start. Step 2. Identify your variables. Before analyzing data, you need to understand your variables. Many students make mistakes because they don't know whether a variable is nominal, ordinal, or scale. Simply paste your variables into ChatGPT and ask, classify these variables and explain their measurement levels. ChatGPT can help organize your variables and explain what each type means. This is important because the type of variable determines the statistical test you'll use. Step 3. Choose the right statistical test. This is where ChatGPT becomes extremely valuable. Ask questions like, what test should I use to compare two groups? What analysis should I use to determine if two variables are related? What test is appropriate for questionnaire data? ChatGPT can explain when to use descriptive statistics, chi-square, t-tests, ANOVA, correlation, regression, and many other statistical procedures. Instead of guessing, you'll have a clearer direction before opening SPSS. Quick question, have you ever spent hours trying to figure out which statistical test to use? If your answer is yes, you're definitely not alone. Let me know in the comments which analysis gives you the most trouble. And if you're finding value in this video, hit the like button. It helps more students and researchers discover these practical AI techniques. Now let's continue. Step 4. Ask ChatGPT for specific instructions. Once you've chosen your statistical test, ask ChatGPT exactly how to perform it. For example, show me how to run a chi-square test in SPSS, or give me step-by-step instructions for running descriptive statistics in SPSS. ChatGPT can provide detailed instructions including menu paths and options. This makes it much easier for beginners to navigate SPSS confidently. Step 5. Generate SES syntax. Many researchers don't realize this, but ChatGPT can also generate SPSS syntax. For example, you can ask, generate SPSS syntax for frequencies, or generate SPSS syntax for a correlation analysis. This can save time and help you learn the syntax side of SPSS without memorizing commands. It's a great way to improve your efficiency as your projects become more advanced. Step 6. Check your analysis plan. Before running your final analysis, ask ChatGPT to review your plan. For example, I have these research questions and these variables. Does my analysis plan make sense? This extra step can help identify mistakes before you spend hours working on the wrong analysis. Think of it as getting a second opinion from an AI assistant. Important. Limitation. Now here's something very important. Never rely on ChatGPT blindly. Always verify its recommendations. AI can occasionally misunderstand variables or suggest inappropriate tests. Use ChatGPT as a guide, but always apply your own judgment and consult academic resources when necessary. The best results come from combining your knowledge with the power of AI. Conclusion. Let's quickly recap. To analyze SPSS data with ChatGPT, describe your research, identify your variables, choose the appropriate statistical test, request SPSS instructions, generate syntax when needed, review your analysis plan, and verify everything before proceeding. When used correctly, ChatGPT can save time, reduce confusion, and make the data analysis process much easier. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with classmates, researchers, and anyone working on a project or dissertation. Also, leave a comment below and tell us which SPSS topic you'd like to learn next. And if you're looking for practical ways to use AI to save time, work smarter, and discover new opportunities, subscribe to AI Tech Tips 360 and turn on notifications. In our next video, we'll show you how to interpret SPSS results using ChatGPT step by step. Thanks for watching, stay curious, stay productive, and I'll see you in the next video.